Compute 111 base 2 plus 1011 base 2 plus 11 base 2. So we want to add these three numbers together in base 2. So it is like normal. So it is like normal arithmetic. In base 2, 1011 in base 2, then we have 111 in base 2, and we are going to be adding everything together. So the first one, we add this to this and this. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Normally, our answer is 3. But since we are working, our question is in base 2, so our answer must not be up to 2. In a situation whereby we have 2 and more as answer, so we are going to divide it by the base, which is 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. We are dividing it by the base we are working with. This will give us 1 remainder 1. 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. So we will write out the remainder, and this will be carried to the next one. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 4, which is far more than 2. So we cannot write 4. We are going to divide it by 2. And this will give us 2 remainder 0. So we are going to write the remainder and we bring the 2 here. So that gives us 2, this 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. And that is 4 as well. So we are going to divide it by 2. It is also 2 remainder 0. So we write the remainder 2 is here. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4 also. So we divide by 2, we know the answer is 2 remainder 0. So we write 0. We are left with 2. We can't write 2 because 2 is the base we are working with. So we divide 2 by 2 again, and that will be 1 remainder 0. That is 0, the remainder, and the 1 as the last answer. So 111 base 2 plus 1011 base 2 plus 111 base 2 will give us 10001 base 2. Convert 1111 base 2 to denary number. Convert 1111 base 2 to denary number. What do we mean by denary number? That means we have to convert from base 2 to a number in base 10. Denary means base 10. So we are going to be writing this number out, and we are going to raise it to power from right hand side. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So what we are going to do here is to multiply each number by the base raised to whatever we have on top of the number. That is the power. So 1 multiplied by 2. We are going to use 1 to multiply 2 because we are working in base 2. The question is giving us in base 2. So we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 plus this one multiplied by 2, which is the base, raised to power this 2. Then we multiply this one, sorry, we add. So plus this one multiplied by the base raised to power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power of 0. But do not forget, in mathematics, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1, because 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 plus 1 times 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So what is 1 multiplied by 8? That is 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Then we are going to be adding everything together. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. And 14 plus 1 will give us 15. And we are working from base 2 to base 10. This will give us base 10. So the question is 1111 base 2 to base 10 equals 15 base 10. Write 32 base 4 as a base 10 number. So we are converting 32 in base 4 to base 10. 32 base 4 to base 10. So we have 32. Just number is 0 and 1. And base 4. So this number will multiply the base, which is 4, raised to power 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, raised to power of 0. 3 times 4 raised to power 1 is 3 times 4, plus 2 times 1. Don't forget anything raised to power 0 is 1. Then what we have 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2 times 1, 2. 12 plus 2 is 14 in base 10. That is our answer.